5 bedrooms. Each floor has Mult Bedrooms, laundry room and living/den areas make this the perfect home for multi-generational living. Upstairs, in-law suite or adult suite includes 2 spacious bedroom, 1 full bath, shower/soak tub combo west/tile surround, kitchenette, with refrigerator, sink, dishwasher, loads of cabinets and an eat-in bar. Main level offers newly renovated kitchen, upgraded appliances, dishwasher coming, shaker cabinets/quartz counters, tile backsplash, sink equipped with cup washer. Privacy fenced backyard. Fireplace, propane, new roof. Covered deck. The Cloister neighborhood west/underground utilities is beautifully designed. Convenient location, 3 minutes to Ascension Health and Kroger. 4 minutes to I-840. Ample storage.